Hello, in front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to receive the phone notifications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Polar Flow application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Polar Flow application to send the notifications to our watch. So, to do it, we need to open the settings on our iPhone. So let's open the settings. Where's the settings icon? Oh, right here. In settings, scroll down to the list of applications. It's at the bottom of the settings page. On this list, find the Polar Flow and tap on it. Here, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. As you can see, it is on mine. And then tap on notifications and also make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. Once both options are enabled, go back to settings, scroll all the way up, tap on Bluetooth option, find your Polar Ignite on the list of devices connected to your iPhone. It's right here. Then tap on the info icon next to it. And on this page, make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once it's enabled, you can close the settings and open the Polar Flow application on your iPhone. In the app, tap on the More Options icon. Then scroll down, tap on Devices, select, now you should see the Polar Ignite device page. And as you can see, I already received the notification on my watch because it's enabled. But on this page, on the device page for the Polar Ignite, scroll down, find the phone notifications option, make sure it's enabled. And once it's enabled, you will need to sync your watch with your phone for the settings to be applied. So we need to press and hold the back button for a second or two. Like this, the watch will start syncing, and wait until it's done syncing and the settings should be applied. Okay, syncing done. Now we can close the app and we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna message myself on Discord. Give me a second, I'm gonna open the Discord. Okay, and I'm gonna write myself a message. Okay, I received the notification on the phone and also on the watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can always wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the back button. And once you wake up the screen, simply swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen. Come on, like this, to open the notifications, and you can scroll through them by swiping up and down. And at the bottom, you have clear all option to clear them all, like this. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.